This extended cab Toyota that's sitting right here is amazing. It's got everything you need to have a proper mini truck. Graphics all over the place, body dropped, billets. Look at the bed. I love these radiuses, man. I've been seeing quite a few trucks being done with these radius corners. It's amazing. It just takes a square box and gives it a little bit more dimension. Raised bed floor, another common mini trucking theme. Full cali combo. Again, with the lights, I've been seeing this a lot. A cali combo usually shaves the whole back end of this truck, makes it one piece. Builders are keeping the lights in, man, and I really, really like it. I've looked at this truck like 3 or 4 times, and every time I look at these graphics, I find something different, man. It's whoever painted this truck, I love it. Body dropped hard. This thing is laid out, and you're tucking almost the center cap. You spend all that money on billet to only show half the wheels sometimes. Part of the game, though. Graphics run all the way across the top. Shade door handles. I like shade door handles. They look good, but personally, I've had nothing but trouble with shade door handles. But it looks good on the truck. We come to the front. I'm pretty sure this front end, grill and everything is 4Runner. I'm not a huge Toyota guy, but usually when you see the lights pulled forward and flush, it's usually the 4Runner front end. I keep coming back to the graphics on this thing. I mean, look at the detail in this, man. You got the mini trucking graphics, but also in the background, you got like lowrider inspired portrait in the background with mini trucking graphics on top, man. It kind of meshes the two cultures together a little bit. It's amazing. There's a lot that you're not seeing on some of these trucks, especially when they're bodied or raised bed floor. I'm pretty sure this thing is just as nasty underneath as it is on top.